that those two screws, which I started taking one out, are what's holding this up. I can't see anything else. So the first thing we're gonna do is take those two screws out, see what happens. Oh, yeah. Sometimes you just gotta try something, see if it works. So first thing I did was use a pretty big Phillips head screwdriver. Well, first thing, we sprayed some blaster on the front here, and in the back. We sprayed that, used a big ass screwdriver to loosen them, and then I took this screwdriver with a little magnetic holder, put a really long tip on it, and it seems to be working. So they're coming out. Now, for all I know, this won't do anything. No idea. Because I've never actually seen one of these like shelf unit things before in a truck. So I don't know. Whoa, okay. Oh shit. All right, well, again, here's another needle. Guys, this is scary shit. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. So we bought this. This is some scary stuff right here. So I'm going to bend it, bend the needle tip, and bend it again like that. We're gonna put this, I'm gonna cover it with epoxy or something and just stick it in the trash. I don't know what was in it. I don't care. That's why we wear gloves. Scary, scary, scary. Nowadays, never did drugs, never been high in my life, never even smoked a cigarette. This shit, for all I know, could kill me. So we just want to make sure this is the kind of stuff we run into nowadays. All right, it's 2 needles so far, and a spoon with some white substance on here that was up here. Where is this? So I'm just saying, you got to be careful when you're cleaning this shit out, these old cars, because you never ever know what you're gonna run into. Never know. And that is scary. That's real scary. All right, we got this other crap. Throw this out. Yeah, I'm not a fan of these overhead things anyway, because they just tend to be junk collectors. So we'll take down the other side, and probably, I don't see us using it, but I don't know. let me just put a screw in over there real quick. Well, this side don't want to come out that way, so we'll just do the other side. We'll just do it through the nut. Okay, because when you take this out, there's actually a nut right here. And let's see what size it is. It is no. There it is. It's a 11 millimeter. We'll just do it 11 millimeter. So we'll just do this as an 11 millimeter. So we'll go ahead and take that down and get that out, and then we'll take the, once I get that out, we'll go ahead and take the headliner down. So we unscrewed from those two brackets, and this came out. So that is the overhead. Now we're probably going to have to reuse it because it's where the sunshades contact, but we're going to have to clean, paint, sand, all kinds of stuff on this thing. Really, really good. So we have that. So last thing we're going to have to do is so now last thing is this trim piece, that trim piece. So 3 trim pieces, then take the old headliner down. Oh, and take the light out. We'll have to figure out how to do that. The center light, the light, which is right here, right there. So we'll have to figure out how to get that out, and then once we get that out, we'll take the headliner out, and then we will vacuum and clean and pressure wash. All right, so let me work on that. We'll be back. All right, we've got everything down except for the headliner and that center light. So I think I'm gonna probably end up cutting around that center light. So let's just take down this headliner. It's no good. It's trash. So let's just see what we can do. It is not coming down because it is stuck on that light right there. So let's see how I can pop that light out. Let's see. Well, I mean, there's one way of doing it. I don't have a light. I don't want to break that because I don't have a light from the other headliner. So let me see if I can pop this somehow. I think, does this come down? Does it unscrew? Does the lens come off? Oh, there we go. Hold on. This lens comes off. Okay, there we go. So I got the lens. Alright. And it's just 3 screws. Luckily, we have our screw gun here still. So come on. Two. Oh shit, this thing's falling on my head. Alright, well, we got us a light now. This is good. Alright, and that's, oh god. Ugh. That's exactly what I didn't want to happen. Ugh. Ugh. Gross. Okay. Well, this is actually not in too bad a shape. I mean, the cloth is in good bad shape, but the actual headliner board is not. So you could build a headliner out of this if needed. That's worth it. Come on, man, really? Really? Oh my gosh. Oh, that was gross. Disgusting. Disgusting. Ew. Disgusting. Okay. Well, now we can start with our truck. There we go. All right. So it does look like the only rust is along the sides here and there. They're not on the frame, so that's a good thing. So I guess what I'll do now, clean this out, and then I'll go grab the vacuum cleaner real quick, and then we can vacuum all this stuff out, and then we'll pressure wash. Then operate. Doctor, 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 doctor. Yeah. Okay, cool. So when I say we'll carefully remove all this stuff, very carefully. Super carefully throw all this stuff in the bed of the truck. Get all these screws. this trash. I put the trash in with the bolts. Wrong. I just noticed one thing before we do anything else. We're going to take these doors off. So this cover just pops off there. We've got, there would be a screw there, but it's missing. So oh, that's a, is that a star? Yep. All right. We'll do that afterwards because I don't feel like searching for all the torque at the moment. I just want to get this interior truck done, then we'll take the door panels off in a minute. Well, I went to pull the tape off and the whole thing came apart, which is okay because we have one. Might need this rubber seal though, and I'll see what else I need off this. As I said, we have the brand new instrument cluster in there, so this may be a good time just to, after we do this, just clean up everything in here, put the new instrument cluster on, and yeah, see where we go from there. All right, I'll be back when we're about to vacuum. Let me get some more stuff out of here. April, should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.
Where it says merchandise store right here, merchandise store link, you will see it says https:/junkyards-barn-finds, and you click on that and it's going to take you here.